Today, I'll show you how to create an amazing AI-generated video and start your own faceless YouTube channel, all with the power of AI. Right now, faceless channels are going viral, generating millions of views and making thousands of dollars every month. The best part? You don't need to show your face, record your voice, or do any complicated editing. With AI, you can create high-quality videos in minutes, completely effort-free. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on more amazing tech content. Creating an AI video starts with a great idea. You don't need to be a scriptwriter. Just visit ChatGPT and describe your video concept in simple words. Instantly, ChatGPT will generate an engaging script and a clear summary that you can use for your video. Once you have the script, it's time to turn it into an actual video. For this, there's an amazing AI tool called Magic Light AI, which does all the work for you. Just open Google, search for Magic Light AI, and click on the first website. After logging in, you'll receive 300 free credits, which are more than enough to create a full video with animation and voiceover. Now, it's time to bring your story to life. Magic Light AI allows you to select different video styles, and for this tutorial, I'm choosing Disney 3D because it gives the animation a cinematic and professional look. Just paste the script from ChatGPT, select your desired video style, and hit Generate. Within seconds, AI creates an entire 25-clip animated video with a built-in voiceover script. You can watch it, make any necessary changes, and refine the details. Of course, every animated video needs characters. Magic Light AI automatically generates 3 unique characters based on your story, but you can also customize them to match your vision. If you want, you can create your own characters from scratch or modify the ones provided by Magic Light. This makes the animation feel more personalized and unique to your channel. Once the characters are ready, the AI works on the animation. You can adjust the voice, change the tone, and even modify the script if needed. The best part? It even syncs lip movements to the dialogue for a more realistic animation. If you have extra credits, you can unlock additional animation effects to make the video even more dynamic. After everything is finalized, the video is generated in high quality with built-in captions, voiceover, and smooth animations. You can download the video instantly and start uploading it to your faceless YouTube channel. And that's it! You've just created a professional AI-generated video without spending hours on editing or voice recording. Now, imagine doing this consistently. Within a few weeks, you can build a successful faceless channel, attract millions of views, and start earning passive income from YouTube monetization. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to QTech Studio for more exciting tech and AI content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.